What's up, guys? Mr. Hadnot checking in with you. Hope all is well. This is going to be a LG dryer repair video. My dryer is not properly drying, and what I had to do was purchase this moisture dryer wiring harness from LG, and I'm gonna show you how to repair it. It's pretty simple, but it's a lot of screws you have to undo. These new dryers and washers are so sophisticated and electronically controlled. You can control it through your Wi-Fi. In my opinion, I really like just the old school dryer and washer. You just turn it down and get at it. But I hope this video helps you. First order of business, be safe. Unplug the plug from the wall. If you're in an industrial area, working at work or something, do a lockout tagout procedure. All right, the next thing you need to do is take these 3 screws out and then slide the top out. The next thing you need to do is take these screws out on each side and undo the wire harnesses. After you remove the wire harnesses, you're gonna remove this front part from the tabs. Be very careful. Use a screwdriver and then come up here. On this particular model, it has screws, one right here, it goes right here, and one right here. Then the next thing to do is to take this tray out. All right, the tray is slid out. The best way to slide the tray out is there's a hook right here that hooks into. Just take your screwdriver, pull it up a little bit, and it'll slide right out. Okay, the next thing you need to do is take out these 2 lower screws here, holding this filter housing. Once you remove those 2 screws, you're gonna shut the door, and you're gonna get something to bend up these locking tabs here, okay? Once you bend the locking tab, you're gonna take the screws out to hold this front panel on. All right, the next thing you need to do is hold on to this door and unplug this door switch right here. All right. All right, this door switch is unplugged, and you can drop this down. See, mine is all dirty. I'm gonna take the time out to take the vacuum and suck all this crap out of here. While you're between cleaning, take your time out to see if the plugs are the same. And it seems like they're the same. There's 2 ends up in here. You got 1 end right here. Reach in and pull this moisture sensor wire harness out, because this is what you were replacing. All right. You're gonna reach behind here and press out this locking clip. Once you remove the locking clip, you're gonna reach in and pull this screen out. And after that, there is some, you probably can't see, but there's some screws in here. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. There's some screws. See one right there. See one over here and one over here. On that side, you need to take out. once you take those screws out, your wire harness connects right there with those two tabs out, or sticking out right there. I'm going to clean this up, and then I'm going to connect the wire harness and do everything in reverse. All right, you can connect the wire harness. It doesn't matter which one you put in one end, which end you put it in. All right, and then you're going to drop this. Make sure you don't pinch the wire harness. Let that feed through the hole like that. Make sure everything fits properly back in here. Then you're gonna put your 3 screws, or actually it's 4. 5. 1. You got 2 in the middle, and then 1 right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws. And then put this in this hole here. And then you connect your connection right here. And like I said, put everything back in reverse. Once you got your dryer vent screwed in and connections put back in and everything is okay, next thing you need to do is put your door back on and then hook up your sensor for your door. Make sure that you bend your tab back right here. Okay, bend it back like that. Make sure it's in the groove and all your holes lined up. All right, then put your part right here back in there and feed your wires back in and plug them up. And then all you have to do is just come back in the back here and put your 3 screws in here, like so. And then while you're back here, this is actually not a wash and dryer room. This is just a closet. And clean up. And also another tip is, while you're back here, there's a piece you can attach to your drill that you can take this off and clean through your attic and get all that lint out. This is the proper time to do it. It just attaches to your drill and then it rotates and it cleans all the way up, and then all that crap, that lint, will come back out. And because if not, just please do this at least once a year or every other year or something like that, because it's a potential fire hazard if you don't. This is the part number. It's a moisture wire harness, moisture sensor wire harness. And this is for mine, my LG. There's another video out there that shows the process, but I'm doing a process for my model number, okay? And this is my model number right here.